Welcome back to Review Chainz, ladies and gentlemen. Today it's going to be a quick unboxing and review about the smartphone mount from Ulanzi, the ST-01 and ST-02s, and we're going to tell you what the quality is and what the difference is between these two. So let's start with unboxing the ST-01. Both of them feel already heavy in the box. This is the Ulanzi ST-01. It is as it looks. It's very sturdy, heavy. It's a heavy piece of metal. This is actually how you open it up and close it. So you can put some pressure on your phone and you make sure it doesn't fall off when you mount it to something. This is where you can mount it to a tripod or a smartphone holder or grip. Now let's unbox the ST-02s. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is a smartphone holder. There's not going to be a big difference like between the Samsung S20 and the Galaxy S20 Plus or something. It actually feels the same. The mechanism is a little bit different. Here it is more hidden than it is on this one. So, the ST-01 and the ST-02s. The main difference that you can see is that there's a cold shoe mount on this one. And this is very handy, especially if you are going to use your phone with a separate microphone or a separate light or something. You can mount your phone onto your grip or your tripod, and you can mount something here above it. So this is not possible with this one, but in my case I bought two of this, so I can have a smartphone grip with a dual setup and be able to film with two smartphones at the same time. That's why I did it. Voila. There is one other difference, by the way. The ST-01 doesn't have a side mount. The ST-02s has a screw hole on the side, so you can mount it this way, not only this way. Especially if you mount two and you want to make like review videos and you prefer your two phones standing, not lying, because it takes too much space, then this is handy. If you mount it on hot shoe or something, for example like this, then you can hold it like this and use your phone this way. As for the ST-01, this is the only way. See? There's something what maybe to keep in mind is that when you close them up, the minimum smartphone width is here 2.6 inch or 6.5 centimeters. And when you open it up to the max, show it on this one. When you open it up to the maximum like this, you can put in the phone until 3.7 inch or 9.5 centimeters. Why do I recommend them? Because before I've been using these, and to be honest, they're very handy. Just put your phone in it, you open it like this, that's all there is to it. But after a while, this little piece of rubber just comes off, like on this one. And then sometimes, especially if you have a big phone, when you put pressure on it, it starts to slide out, and you don't want your phone to fall out, drop on the ground and break the display. Voila. So in this case, I'm very happy with these new Ulanzi smartphone holders. They look very sturdy. I'm looking forward to using them. I really recommend them. They look very good, they feel very good, they feel very sturdy. They look like the kind of metal that will get scratched if it falls down, but I don't think that will hinder anything of the working properties of the thing. It's very simple made, but very sturdy. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you have any questions, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. Many more videos are coming. We're gonna make a video also on how to mount them on a grip so you can use two smartphones at the same time, and many more videos about smartphone gear, smartphones and mobile computers is coming into the future. Stay tuned.